Hello everyone. Last class we have seen binary addition and binary subtraction. Now today's our topic is binary multiplication and binary division. So let us start with that. This is what our table is, where this is your multiplicand, this is the multiplier, and that will be your product, right? It is quite similar to your decimal multiplication. Now let us take one example wherein we do this 25 into 6. If you do in decimal, definitely your answer is this, right? Now let us do this in your binary. So what is the binary equivalent of 25? If you take the binary equivalent of 25 in this way, I got the answer like this. And what is your 6? We have 6 is 110, right? Now what this says, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1, right? When you're multiplying this 0 with 1, obviously anything multiply with 0, the answer will be 0. So how many zeros? We'll be getting 5 zeros here, right? Next it is almost similar like your decimal multiplication. How you'll do, you'll start with LSB, start multiplying the numbers, writing the products, and then we are going to have the next number multiplication. Now the next number turn is your 1, right? So 1, anything multiplied with 1, the number itself. This is 1 0 0 1 1. Then third number, again you are multiplying with 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. And now how we do our decimal multiplication? After that we'll be adding those products, right? Same way we have to perform here. You can see this is what you need to perform, the binary addition. 0 plus anything, this is 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1, and this carry as it is. That means your answer is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. That means this should be actually 150. We will see whether it is 150 or not. There are two ways. In either way you can do. One is you just take this 150, divide it by 2, and collect the bits like this, or else you take this binary number, convert into deci. How we'll do this is in binary, right? I'm just verifying my answer whether it is right or wrong. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. 2 power 7 is how much? 32, 64, 128. Then this is anyhow 0, this is 0, 2 power 4 is 16, right? That means 128 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2, right? Means your sum is your 150. So here when you multiply 25 into 16 decimally, you got 150 answer. The same way you have converted deci into binary, and you have multiplied, you have used binary multiplication and binary addition. Whatever the result you got, the result was your 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. This is the binary equivalent of your 150 number. That means when you verified also, your answer is true and it is a valid answer. This is what the normal procedure of doing binary multiplications. You can take one more example over here, like 1001 into 1101, 111001, right? 111 100 100 111. Then anything multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Again multiplied with 1, you got 1. Again you are multiplying with 1, your answer is this. Now 1 plus zeros, answer 1. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1, 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, carry 1, 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. You can cross verify this even. This is your 9 and this is your 13. 13 into 9 is your 127. Sorry, 117. You need to cross verify this. Definitely, if when you take the binary equivalent of 117 or when you convert this into deci, the answer will same. So this is how we perform the binary multiplication for the given number. Now let us start our binary division. Let us start the binary division. Now take the example like you need to divide 111 111 0101 by 1001. Here also we need to do the same thing as like your this normal division, right? First check these 4 bits. With these 4 bits, definitely it is a larger number, it is a smaller number, and we have only 0 and 1, nothing else, like not like 2 into 5, 2 into 10, 2 into 13, 2 into 4, 2 into 8. Always either multiplied with 1 or 0. So 1001 multiplied by 1 will be 1001. Now do the subtraction of this. 0 1 1 borrow 1 101 110, when 101 110. This is what. Now here we have to perform the binary subtraction, which I have performed just now, right? Now this number is 0101, right, which is smaller than this. So obviously what we'll do, we'll take down this 1 below. Now your number is 1011, which is a bigger than your 1001. So again I'll multiply with 1. If that is the case, what will be my answer is 1001. Again perform the subtraction. 110 101 000 1100, right? Now this 010, again it is smaller than 1001. We will take the next bit down, right? Then again if you compare this number and that number, that is, this is smaller than this, so we will put a 0 over there and we will take down the 1 over here. If that is the case, now my number is 1001, and if I multiply with 1, my answer will be 1001 and the remainder will be 0, and this is what your question. So your answer is 1101. When you divide 111 by 1001, the answer is 1101. This is a very simple binary division, the way we do in your decimal, same way we have to perform. Only thing is here we need to do everything with the binary numbers, and here subtraction also with binary. So practice more problems because they are very important from the exam point of view.